Welcome to Duolingo, language learning for everyone.
Duolingo is a popular, user-friendly app that lets you learn languages for free. With its interactive lessons, game-like features, and accessible design, Duolingo helps millions of people worldwide discover new languages at their own pace, all from their phone or computer.
Getting started, setting up and choosing your language.
To begin, download Duolingo and create a free account. Choose from over 30 languages, including Spanish, French, German, and more. Select your learning goal and proficiency level. Duolingo will create a custom lesson path, making it easy to start, whether you're a complete beginner or brushing up on forgotten skills.
Using free features, lessons, practice, and streaks.
Duolingo's free features include daily lessons, vocabulary exercises, listening activities, and review challenges. Completing lessons earns you experience points and helps build your daily streak, which encourages consistency. Personalized feedback corrects errors and reinforces learning, all at no cost.
Maximizing progress, tips for effective learning.
Stay motivated by setting daily reminders and joining Duolingo's global community. Use features like the in-app stories or podcasts to practice comprehension. Review previous lessons regularly and don't hesitate to repeat challenging sections. The more often you practice, the faster you'll improve.
Staying free, understanding optional paid features.
Duolingo offers a paid subscription called Super Duolingo, but all essential language learning tools remain free. The paid version mainly removes ads and adds extra features, but you can make excellent progress and access all core lessons and functions using the free app.
Start your language journey today.
Duolingo makes it possible to learn a language for free, anytime and anywhere. By consistently using its free features and staying motivated, you can build real language skills and enjoy the process. Download Duolingo to begin exploring new languages. Your journey starts now.